满嘴跑火车. What does it mean? You are full of crap. 满嘴 means full mouth in Mandarin Chinese. 跑火车 means running the train. Your mouth is running the train. It means that you are so talkative, but what you said is nonsense. Recently, some American media and officers hyped that 3 researchers from Wuhan lab got affected by some virus which led to the leaking of COVID-19. By hearing this, I can say 他们满嘴跑火车. They are full of crap. Do they have their names? Do they have any positive report? It is a global scientific issue to trace the origins, not some country's political weapon to stigmatize others. So when you hear nonsense, you can say 满嘴跑火车.